In this video, I will show you how to update your self-hosted 989 instance using Coolify. Starting on the 989 dashboard, you will be able to see critical update available banner at the bottom. It's important to keep the 989 updated for the latest security fixes. If you open the What's New section, you will be able to see the current version and the several updates behind. To start the update, go to your Coolify dashboard, navigate to 989 service stack, and first you need to stop the current service. So stop, continue, and confirm. Wait a few seconds to status to change, and you can see it says exited. Once services has stopped, click on deploy in the right top corner. This tells Coolify to pull the latest Docker image from the 999 and the service startup log will appear. You will be able to see the system pulling the new images, layers, and extract them. Coolify make this process easy by handling all the Docker commands for you. Your workflow and data are safe because they are stored in volumes. So only the software itself being upgraded. This part may take 1 or 2 minutes depending on your service speed. Now that the images are pulled and the container are starting up, when you can see the green running status, the update is complete. Switch back to your n8n tab and refresh the page. It may take a moment to load as the service restart. Let's wait. As the dashboard appears, you can see the update banner has been gone. Finally, check the help section to confirm the running latest version. Your n8n server has been updated and secure. That is everything for this tutorial. I hope this guide made the update process easy for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more automation tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in next one.